Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming, right? But I'm here to change that for you. This series is designed for beginners or anyone who's ever doubted their form. No fancy equipment needed, just your drive to improve. We'll break down essential moves step by step. Squats, planks, push-ups, done safely and correctly. At home, at the gym, or outdoors, you choose the space. We'll guide the technique so you build confidence and avoid injuries. Each video will help you actually enjoy working out. Ready to train smarter, not harder? Let's begin this journey together.
This is day one of a 365-day journey, not just to get stronger, but to move better with purpose and precision. Every day, I'll guide you through simple, effective workout techniques. Whether you're just starting or you've tried before and felt unsure, it's not about perfection. It's about learning proper form and building habits. No equipment? No problem. No experience? Even better. You'll train smarter, not harder, and learn how to move safely. 1 minute at a time, one step at a time. We're in this together. Let's begin this journey. Welcome to day 2 of your 365-day journey to mastering workout techniques. Today, we're focusing on proper chest bench press form for beginners. Lie back on the bench with your eyes directly under the bar. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet flat on the floor, back arched naturally, and shoulder blades tight. Lower the bar slowly to your mid-chest, elbows at a 45-degree angle. Remember, wrists should stay straight, no bending. Press the bar up with control, not speed. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Now, watch a female athlete demonstrate this technique in her home gym. Observe her setup, movement, and control. Perfecting your form now prevents injury later. See you tomorrow for day 3. Welcome to day 3 of your 365-day journey. Today, we're breaking down the perfect bodyweight squat form, step by step. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Engage your core and keep a neutral spine, no rounding or arching your back. Now, lower yourself slowly, driving your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees track in line with your toes. Don't let them collapse inward. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor. That's your ideal squat depth. Keep your chest up, head neutral, and shoulders aligned with your hips. Pause briefly, then drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Remember, quality over speed. Repeat this motion slowly for the best results.
On day 5. Welcome to day 5 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're mastering the plank, a simple move that builds serious core strength. Start on the floor with your elbows under your shoulders, forearms flat. Step your feet back, forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keep your hips level, no sagging or arching. Neck neutral, eyes down, shoulders relaxed. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds to start, focusing on tension, not just time. Do 3 rounds with controlled breathing. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe on YouTube, and follow on Insta. See you tomorrow for day 6.